How to fix Jaybird X2's. Step 1. Admire your broken device. Step 2. Take the casing off the device. Step 3. Take the case off the other side. Be careful, you might break it. I almost broke mine. Don't break the case. Take the case off. Now you can see the power button, which you need to fix. Step 4. Acknowledge that you just voided your warranty. Take this power button sticker off. It's so shiny, so smooth. Align the power sticker to the center of the board. Step 7, I ended up explaining that completely wrong, so let me explain that again. Basically, you center the sticker on this tiny dot on the board, and then easy dub, that's it. That dot is like too small to show on camera. Step 8, do what I just explained. Step 9, put the case back on. Step 10, congratulations, you successfully fixed your Jaybird X2's.